Hello, this is Dr. Martina, your online sex therapist and sex educator. Do you need some sexual healing? And I don't mean the kind of sexual healing that Marvin Gaye is singing about, even so I love that song. I mean, who doesn't? The kind of sexual healing I'm talking about is, do you want to free yourself from negative influences on your sexuality? Do you like to restore your sexuality to health, free from judgment? How about bringing a conflict within your sexuality to an end without settling for the norm? I hope you have one or two yeses to these questions, because I have a 4-part video prepared just for you. There are 4 components to our sexuality: cognitive, psychological, physiological, and relationship. I will be taking one topic of each element to provide you with information, suggestions, and support so you can start your sexual healing. In the first week, we're going to go with the head, the sexual mind, which is the sexual belief system, which is part of the cognitive component of our sexuality. If you want to free yourself from negative influences on your sexual mind, then you have to check in with your sexual attitude. And in this video, I will ask some questions that will indicate where society's sexual morals have influenced your sexual belief. And you will learn what you can do to heal that, to correct that, and to heal it. In the second week, we're going to go to the physiological component, and the topic we're going to take in there is arousal function. We're not being taught how our bodies work. We're not being taught how our bodies respond to certain stimuli. So we depend on other people knowing what to do with our bodies and knowing how we are going to respond. So there's a lot of hit and missing going on. There's a lot of experiences are happening that are not pleasurable. And so the healing that we can bring to that situation is by educating you. And that's exactly what we're going to do in that week's video. We're going to educate you about the arousal function and how it works and how you can manage it and how you can be responsible of your own arousal. Because expecting for it just to work is like teaching, or is like trying to drive a stick shift without knowing what the pedals are doing and what they're for and where they are. The third week, we're going to visit a psychological component, and a big topic in there is gender affiliation. With the way the society presents what an attractive female body is, what an attractive feminine woman is, what she has to wear, how she has to sit, what she has to do, it is very confusing to somebody who doesn't fit that mold, which is 95% of the female population. So we really don't have a chance to love our femininity because we have no role models where we can do that, or we're not being educated about how we can do that. And that is what we're going to address in the third video. And you will learn how to appreciate your femininity and how to appreciate the sexual aspects of your beautiful female body. The relationship component is our 4th week, because once we learn how to appreciate our body, then how do we really live that in a relationship? And seduction is the topic that we're going to visit from that component. Seduction is, for me, I remember when I first seduced somebody, when I felt confident in my eros, I felt confident in my sexuality. I didn't worry if they were going to be attracted to me because I oozed of sensuality because of my confidence. So seduction is an amazing place to heal your sexuality, your relationship with your personal sexuality. It's an amazing place to do it. And in this video, you will learn how to tap into your creative skill of seduction. So as you can see, this is an inspiring and exciting series, Our Sexual Healing. So make sure that you tune into it for it starting next week. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you then.